I wanted to finish giving you the notes that we started on Monday since we ran out of time. So let's start with at the bottom of the, let's see, what is this? It's like the third page where it's talking about minutes and seconds, how to convert from decimal form to minutes and seconds or vice versa. So it says each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 equal parts called seconds. A minute is 1/60th of a degree, and a second is 1/60th of a minute, or 1/3600 of a degree. An angle with 44 degrees, 23 minutes, and 14 seconds is an angle of 44 degrees, 23 minutes, and 14 seconds. Angles used to be expressed with minutes and seconds, but with computers it is more convenient to have angles in decimal form. So it is important to know how to convert between different formats. Some calculators can handle converting between the different formats, but you'll need to know how to do it by hand. So let's do, first of all, converting from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimal format, and then we'll do it the other way. Okay, so on the last page of this set of notes, under example number 5, we want to convert 28 degrees, 5 minutes, and 9 seconds into decimal form. So you want to remember that 1 degree equals 36,000 seconds, and also that 1 degree is equal to, is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so if we have 28 degrees, 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you, this is the way I was doing it, but I'm going to show you the way the book does it, just so that if you look at the book, then we'll be consistent. Okay, so what they do is they took this 5 minutes and they're timesing this by 1, and 1 is in the form of 1 degree over 60 minutes, which is the same thing as 1, since 60 minutes equals 1 degree. And then notice that your minutes are going to cancel out, and you would just be left with degrees here. And then the same thing with the 9 right here, the 9 seconds. So we're going to take this 9 seconds and we're going to times it by 1 in the form of 1 degree over 3600 seconds. Again, I'm getting that from these equations that are equal to each other. So both of those are equal. So setting them over each other means they're 1. Okay, so again here the seconds are going to cancel and you'll have 1 degree. So if you work this out, you know, you take 5 divided by 60 and 9 divided by 3600, and then you add those results to 28, you get this, 28.0858333. Okay. So here's another example. And I did this my method, but again, let's do it the way the book does it. So they would have done it like this, 44 degrees plus, we're going to take this 19 minutes over 1, and we're going to times that by 1 in the form of 1 degree over 60 minutes. And you can see that that's what this is doing up here when I did it this way. It's 19 divided by 60. Okay, and your degrees or your minutes cancel with each other, so you just have degrees. Plus, and then I had 32 seconds, so 32 over 1 times, and again I'm going to multiply by 1, so 1 degree, this is 32 seconds over 1 degree, times 1 degree over 3600 seconds. Okay, so the seconds will cancel and you'll just have degrees. So it's 32 divided by 3600. So when you do this again on your calculator, you end up with this, 44.3255556.